I'm not them. I'm not them. I'm really that guy.
Tell him,
Bro. Stop playing with me.
Tell him.
I'm really that fucking dude, man. Stop playing with me. All these little niggas, I'm not. Stop it. Stop. Y'all not moving like me. Stop. Keep me out of the conversation. Stop. All these little niggas doing all these little interviews saying my name and ooh. Shut the fuck up, nigga. We out here really balling, nigga. Like, stop. Keep me out your shit. We not the same. Stop.
Yo, jump in. I want to see you jump
This the year I pop my shit, cause ain't nobody gonna pop it for me. So I'ma pop my shit. Every day, all day. Every day. BT, I'm popping my shit every day.
Come on, jump in.
Every day. Tell them. No, every day. I'm back to that fresh as I men's battle. I'm popping my shit every day.
Come on, y'all jump in.
No, record me, but you know what I'm saying?
Come on. She want to jump in.
Bow easy.
I got you.
My God, bro.
Uh-oh. I don't know which one of y'all that made this nigga mad, but we about to tell his ass to jump in the pool.
Hold on, I'm about to take her video. Can I take my clip out?
Huh?
Like, stop playing with me. Like, we're not about to do that. Matter of fact, record yourself.
That's
They
a
can't
pool
only
or
want to
that's
be
a
recorded.
bullshit.
I'm on my bullshit.
Alright.
I'm about to jump in the pool. Wait, the ocean. I'm sorry. I'm about to jump. I'm trying to jump in the ocean.
Yo, this your first time in the ocean, right? See, she about to jump in.
I'm about to jump in right now. I look crazy. Yo,
Me too.
I don't want that light on me. I'm too light skinned as it is. I got blonde hair. They calling me red. I done told them my office hours is from 9 to 5. Like, yo, we living life. I'm about to start talking Spanish. Arriba this noches o noches. Buenos noches. Everybody needs a friend like Bow Weezy.
You're the fucking
I'm living
best,
life.
bro.
I'm single. I look good.
Me too.
Hey, don't let me talk my talk. So I get in my bag. Don't let me talk my talk. I don't want to do it, but I'm about to do it.
Oh, man.
Hey, yo, let me get a shot.
We need
I'm
some
living
shots.
life. Hey, yo, this is crazy.
Shot was down.
Hey,
This how lit you supposed to be on your birthday.
Hey, I'm only celebrating with y'all because y'all my fans.
It's like
My
12
fans,
days
I
of
love
Bowie's
y'all.
birthday celebration.
I'm starting to get so.
Yo, we out of here, you heard? Night.
We about to jump in.
Water.
Come on.
You're not jumping in.
Huh?
You're not jumping in.
You're not jumping in. You over here asleep. Look at her sleepy ass.
My massage.
Look at her. She is so posh. Come on, y'all jumping in. Come on.
Whoever gotta go back. We good though. We all right.
Yeah, if you got to go back, get it that one. They about to leave now.
Hey, man, listen, yo, it's a great fucking party.
I'm telling you, you know the vibe.
It was crazy. Tell me in Spanish.
Oye, un party de los foques.com.
Okay.
Wow. Oh man.
All right.
This when the party gets good.
What?
Oh, my bad. Oh man. Sexy. Thank you so much, beautiful. Hey, baby, we about to jump in.
Baby ass.
I'm not on that boat. I need to get
I already know that. Go ahead, grab it and bring it up here. Yeah, bring it over here.
Thank you so much, mama.
Appreciate you. You know that.
Come on, Quinn.
Come on, she ready, man.
The vibe is ready.
She is ready.
Are you ready?
I need a video.
You ready?
I need a video.
You ready? Come on.
She just really grabbed my bag.
Come on. Come on. Don't step in that mac and cheese. You not drunk?
Yo,
Wait. Can you swim?
I see this.
No.
You swim?
No. There's no. I should be okay.
I'm okay.
When you
I'm
jump
gonna
in
be
the
okay.
ocean, you have to be okay.
Yeah.
Because there's currents. This is not like jumping in the pool.
How far we jumping?
No, we gonna listen. I'm gonna make it easy. Like just jump off the corner and we right there. Bye.
Alright.
We'll swim out there and hop up. That's how we do it. Ain't no
How old
lounging
are
in
you
this
turning
shit.
again?
Huh?
How old are you turning?
Infinity.
I'm about to charge you for the interview.
It's so extra.
Infinity.
Oh, she wants you to take a video.
Hey yo, can we get some tunes? I need some like, nah. Hey yo, I need to hear some shit. I need to hear that.
He gone.
Huh?
We can next to the phone.
There we go. I need some shit. I need to hear that shit. Like, we still vibing. The night,
Easy, man.
it's 10 o'clock in Miami. The night's still young. I'm still sober.
Where's Casamigo at? We need to. Who got it?
Hey, they got it.
Let us sleep, baby.
Hey, wait, wow. Let's get Casamigo from them.
They got it?
Yeah, give them.
G, tell them to toss it. Tell them to toss it. Grab that Casamigos from them.
What Casamigo is at 37
Mama,
Hey!
I'm still like, I'm good. Like, I'm not even drunk.
I'm about to throw your ass in the ocean too.
Yeah. And you know what? You're right. Recruit break because it's still 10 and we about to go out. So it's like the next phase of shit. I have no idea. They just got shit planned for me. We about to leave here in like 45 minutes to go back.
Oh, he said BT got it.
Yep. That's why when you got changed, I'm like, that's perfect because I'm going to change too when I get back.
Well, I got Yeezy.
Huh?
I gotta wear Yeezys though.
I'm wearing my Yeezys too.
Yeah, I'm wearing this.
You good. You Gucci. Mama, you Gucci.
Bought it from BT. I'm
BT?
gonna probably use some pants and wear with this
Got you. Done. I got some gallery departments. I'll give them to you.
Why you gotta have
Come on, bro. You gonna jump
Nope.
in?
Hell yeah, I'm about to jump in. Hey, BT, you like a player. Yo, look at my little bro. Like, I want to be. I want.
Call me,
Hey, yo,
call me the max contract.
hey, can we put that music on? You know what I'm saying? A little. Oh, you know what? Oh shit, it's up front.
Bow,
No, it's okay, sweetheart. It's up front.
Yeah,
I'm gonna jump in and we gonna go up front.
bro.
How would y'all know how to swim?
Let me get.
That's
let
what
me
I'm
do.
playing.
Just, we going up front. After I jump in, we gonna go party.
Yo, yippee, where my dog?
The food is still here, right?
Walk with me now.
If not, I'm going to the strip club anyway.
Yo, yippee, and all the girls around the corner store.
Huh?
Go down, say,
Huh?
bow,
Mine are pretty than yours.
bow, wow, wow.
Everyone loves gorgeous. Everybody love her. Gee. Everybody falls in love with
What
you.
it is?
My hair braided saw you went nuts.
You're leaving back at what time? 15 minutes, right? Like
No, like 45, like 35.
Why we inside tonight?
We about to have fun tonight. We lit.
The company gotta bring my shit.
Man, she is dead to the world.
No, she got my shit up.
She dance the world.
I wanna get drunk, wow. I got drunk.
No, we doing it. And it's your birthday too. Like I'm saying.
I want to sleep twice last night. Man, go go to sleep in the car. You know when I tried to jump on the outside, we gotta wait for
Her
the
accent is so crazy.
James Bond. James Bond.
Her accent, her shit is crazy.
love me. Wow, this my new girlfriend.
James Bond, come on. We going to
Oh, this my phone.
Yeah, pop, turn that up. Ain't about to land. They said I have to. All right, maybe I'm a little tipsy.
He has an obligation to attend to
You better be careful, no swim. He got
I'm sorry, you heard it? Hey, yo, I'm sorry, y'all. I got a little tipsy. I'm about to jump.
I'm going to tell you in a minute.
Yeah, they don't.
I'ma
They're
tell
not
you
telling me.
separate.
It's all a surprise. You know what I'm saying?
You online.
I'm online.
You are shit big.
No, they want to watch me jump in.
You want to jump in?
Oh, them shit.
You want me to record it?
Yeah. Flip it around.
Oh, she said.
Ready?
Oh,
Hey,
he's
yo,
doing
don't
something.
Like for real, like we gonna jump, pop out, and pop.
Hold on.
Over here.
I'm just gonna go like this.
I'm gonna show you.
Hold on. No. There you
I
go.
got it. Yes. No, I got a good view right here. I got you. Shit.
Are y'all leaving?
Yeah.
They're leaving. And we're staying.
I got it.
Yo, Sideshow Bob. Go in there.
Jump. Bow, easy make it. Jump. Jump.
Hey yo, where my ride at?
It's right here.
I love y'all.
You gonna make it.
Like, shut the fuck up. You're gonna make
Get
it.
by a shark, all type of shit can happen.
There's nothing.
I be watching all that.
There's nothing going.
That shit be for real. Let me get another shot before I jump in that water.
Sir, be careful.
I am ready. Now, that ain't the 5 heartbeats. What's that? Really? Look, he don't even know. I can swim. I can't jump over the ship. Hey, yo, Jess, what up? time for the live, right? Hey, yo,
Come on, let's go.
On that side. So I'm gonna grab that little anchor shit just in case the nigga can't get up.
Oh my God.
Can they put the steps out though?
Bow easy.
You got me, Jess?
Yep.
Hey, Sean.
Get him a life jacket.
Why is somebody
man.
screaming over there?
It's
You
me.
hear that?
Let me go first and then go.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah, that's me.
I thought it was fucking somebody screaming over there in the water.
No, it's me. It's through the laptop. Screaming.
Oh, he's gonna jump. He's definitely gonna jump.
Of course, Bow.
He already did it before.
Scaredy cat. He's a dog. Whoa. Whoa.
I mean, he didn't jump. I mean, he didn't jump that far. No, the water is clean. It's just it's nighttime right now, so the water is clean. I mean, it's the freaking bay. Like it's super clean. They talk about the water ain't clean.
Yo,
Miami water. Miami water is clean. What happened? There was something in the water?
No, it was her.
Oh shit! He didn't know that she jumped after.
No, cause he told her, yo, wait on me, and she jumped in right after. Yo, she's oh shit!
she scared his ass. So
thought it was something else.
else.
You got scared, nigga. You got scared.
I thought it was Bow Wow jumped twice and was like made a double
He got
splash.
paranoid.
Yo, I thought it was a camera trick. Like,
Yo. So this girl jumped in after him and he thought, because he got touched in the leg, he thought it was something else. I would have got scared too, shit. Fuck that.
yeah.
Hey, and the nigga looks back too. Like,
People die in every fucking moment in life.
Nah, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The video. Never again. I'm done.
Just take the shot and you'll be alright. When the hell, yo, when did you let your hair loose? At what time? When did you let your hair loose? I was like, who is that person? Oh, it's you. It's Shad. Lord Jesus. Italy.
That shit is crazy. Oh.
Wake up.
Sean, you was sleeping for like 3 hours. Like on the
Oh
couch.
my God.
We got pictures.
Yo.
You went to bed.
Hey, can we get some light on back here? Ain't no light. There we go. We got some light. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. We got some light. Where's my massage?
I'm next. I'm next.
I think I took her out. Nigga had to go through all this shit.
Yeah.
I don't think she fucked with y'all, but
Shit
Can I
is
take
lit.
your spot?
just get one at Tootsie's.
Can I take your spot? BT, can I take your spot?
Hey, yo.
I'm never get on the phone.
Y'all was laughing at me. Yo, I just felt her like foot. Like I just felt something like behind me. That shit
it
felt like.
touched you?
But that's why I went crazy. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is behind me? Like, 'cause I told her, I said, watch me jump so you know where to get up at. So when I jumped in, she jumped in right after me. So as I'm swimming, I thought that was some shit. I didn't know what the fuck it was. That shit sobered the nigga up so fast.
Where?
That shit was crazy just now.
Be careful with your phone.
Happy birthday. All that great, yo, they be saying I be having gray hair. I'm like, I ain't got no gray hair. My shit is true blonde. Like, I'm not these old ass niggas that y'all used to seeing. I'm not these old niggas, man. I got blonde hair for real. This ain't no dye. This ain't nothing. I don't dye my hair. I don't have contact. People be asking me like the weirdest shit. Are your eyes real? Like, why would I have fake eyes? I'm confused. Oh, I know. Oh, you know what? Is this? Should we bring the speakers back here? Cause it's a vibe, or should we go up?
I thought we were playing music over here.
They gonna be tired of dragging that big motherfucker.
We should go back up front. Should we go up front?
No, cause we like.
But it's such a vibe back here though. Like,
Oh my God, what the fuck is that? No, it's
see what I'm saying? That's why I got out the water.
What is that?
Is that a stingray?
No, that's not a stingray. stingray.
I know you did not think
That's a stingray. See? Look, and it's swimming towards the yacht.
It's not a stingray.
that's not a stingray.
It's a bag.
It's a bat?
It's a
A
bag.
bag.
It's
Oh.
definitely not a stingray.
No, it's definitely not a stingray. You will see the tail.
Well, I watch a lot of YouTube.
I want. Oh, that's
Okay, well, it's not geographic.
Nah, that motherfucker is swimming towards us.
something else.
I watch a lot.
And now it's getting slimmer. Like it's like no.
No, that's not.
Oh, that's a fish.
It ain't nothing. It's trash.
Yeah.
That's fucking swimming. It's going like this.
I told y'all.
It's going like this.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, wow. Youngest living legend.
With style and grace. Y'all want to see this view? Check the view out. Beautiful. Like my phone, like the phone light, and make it look like it's lighter than what it is. Yeah, but it's not that light out here. It's dark as fuck. Pimpin', I love you, broski. Hey, Pimpin', join my live real quick. Where you at? Let me get some followers. I know you need it. I got more Mac than Craig to be. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. Quicksilver, what up? DC, Baltimore, you know.
What's up, my boy?
Hey, why it's so dark? Where you at? What you making love, nigga? Turn your light on.
Hold up.
I need everybody to check in with me right now.
Happy birthday, my boy.
Hey yo, check me out.
Like we always do it.
We kicked some girls out. It's the good vibes. We about to go to phase 2 in a minute. You know what I'm saying?
So what you on? You on the big boat? What boat you on?
I don't know who my country, you or her ass. This motherfucker, this my partner pot, this my homegirl, she country as shit. I don't know who my country, you or him.
Where's she from?
My boy, baby. From the South. So what's this great? Hey, watch this. Pimpin', rap these lyrics.
You gotta play some Atlanta.
You can't rap these lyrics?
I can't hear that good.
Nigga, you know this is B.I.G. Don't do that. This nigga Pimpin' don't know nothing about hip-hop, but he in hip-hop.
You call him?
Hey, yo, ladies. Hey, I don't know what it is, but a nigga looks good as a motherfucker. I don't know. 35 looks good. Hey, I'm gonna get off with you. I don't want to be talking my shit while you're on the phone, fam. Hang up. Somebody tell me my bag. I just had to look. That light, yo, them green eyes, I see why.
Nah, it's that bald head, bro. What you
Yeah. Hey, I see why.
that bald head, that's what it is.
I see why that blonde hair, them green eyes. Yeah, nigga, yeah. Hey, yo, Pimpin', I tell him, when I'm coming to your city, I'm the green-eyed bandit. The blonde hair, green-eyed bandit. When I come to your city, tuck your baby mother and tell your girlfriend. She better say, yo, you gotta tell your girlfriend you got COVID so you can sit in the house. Don't come outside when we outside.
Light, bro. What they doing?
I started talking my shit. She got jealous because I'm pretty to her. Ashley turned her phone off. Oh, wait. Put your light on. That's Pimpin'. Put your light on.
Put the light on. It's Pimpin'.
Don't dim your light on. Don't dim your light on my shine. Ash.
What is you, baby? What is you doing? You gotta keep this light shining.
Yeah, listen, I got enough juice. I can charge the battery. Keep it on. I look good. Yeah, there we go. Put that light.
Your light make me look good too.
Hey yo, if 35, if 35 look this fucking good, then I can't wait till I'm 40. Oh my God. Shit.
You almost a senior citizen.
You know I'm building my house right now, Pimp. You got listen. Pimp got on me about building my house. My shit be ready in October. No, I love Fifth. Hey, this ain't the vibe right now though. Wait, we gotta keep it sexy.
And he putting the studio in there with it for his boy. You know what I'm saying?
See, here you go. You wildin'. Yo,
Oh,
if
you ain't gonna give me?
35
Oh, you ain't gonna put the studio?
Hey, yo, Pimpin, if 35 looks this fucking good, I cannot wait until I'm 40.
I'm trying to tell you. You feel me?
Bro, the older I get blondes. I don't get grays. I get blondes. I get more blonder. I don't get grayer. I get blonder.
I get more balls.
Look at me.
Balder.
That's why they be choosing, right? That's why they be choosing, right? It ain't the bag. It's how a nigga look. Hey, it's a lot of ugly rich niggas in the business. These rap niggas is ugly. They ugly and they credit ugly. Yeah, all that. These niggas jewelry be ugly. They cars be ugly. These niggas don't really own shit. Stop. Fuck they
Yeah,
talking
make sure y'all
about.
go get them pimping glasses.
Bro,
And stuff. Do rags.
yo, 90% of these rap niggas, they ugly.
I know, but he's
Not ugly.
They ugly as shit. And I be like, yo, how did he? Oh, he got money. All right,
It ain't
nigga,
ugly.
listen. I can be the brokest nigga in the world and I'ma still pull the top, nigga. I look good. These niggas is ugly.
I'm trying to tell
They
you.
ugly. They look terrible. And they only fuck with them because they got a bag. That bag, I can see through that. I know a lot of women that got money and they look terrible. They look like JD. I would never talk to them.
Hold up. What?
I know a
We
lot
gotta
of
talk
girls
about
that
JD.
got money and they look like JD. They look ugly. I would not talk to them.
Look, bro, not on your birthday, bro. We ain't gonna talk about JD.
I don't settle. I don't settle. I want the best. I don't settle. Without the bag, I'm still pulling. I'm that handsome. Look at me.
Look at me.
You ain't got green eyes, blonde hair. My shit different.
I got brown eyes and bald head. What you talking about? They love look. They love rubbing that bald head, bro.
Yeah, I understand. But look, when that light hit me, I like a fucking model. I can model for Calvin Klein right now. All right, you want to dim my light? See, she want to hate. See, the light skins always want to hate. Look at her. She want to hate.
Yeah, I can model for Jeff.
You want to hate? Look, she want to dim my light. It's always a hater want to dim your light.
I see. What they doing? What they doing,
Dim my light. I'm talking my shit. She want to stop my shine.
You gotta throw in the ocean, bro.
Can I film myself for 2 seconds?
It's been longer for 2 seconds.
I love myself.
You won't drain my battery.
I'm a charger. We got chargers. I look good. I can't don't touch it, just leave my curl right where it's at. My nose is fine.
This nigga wet.
Ain't no snot. Leave me alone.
Hey man, let me see what's going on, bro. Let me see the vibe, man. Let me see what I
Man, I
got.
want to. Hey, yo, all right, I'm gonna show you the vibes. I'm gonna show you the vibes right now.
Yeah, let me see what I missed out on, man. You know?
Hit the X button first. Hit the X button. Let me refresh it because it's stalling. Log off real quick. I'm lying. I just wanted you to get off so I can look at myself.
Well, easy. No, like no bird that can't see.
Hey, I just want to pimp it off. I just want him off. Wack, what up? Let me call Wack. Let me embarrass you now. Since you want to be so famous. I look good as shit. I look good. Ladies, am I lying? You can say whatever you want to say, but I look good though. Hey yo, keep this light on me. I'm feeling this shit right now.
Yeah.
I look good as shit. If you say I don't, you lying. I know I do. Fuck they talking about. I'm feeling myself.
It look boring out there.
Hey, let me show you what you missing, brother. We laying down eating big pasta with
What is that,
prawns,
green water?
big lobster. You know, we turn the light.
Hey.
I can turn the ocean red if you want it like that.
Yeah, that shit green. That shit look like it'll give you a fucking.
That's the light.
Like
You see what I'm doing?
Hey,
You see my
I'm watching
vibe?
your live. I'm sleepy.
Hey, never mind. I ain't gonna do you like that. We on live. I ain't gonna do you like that.
My girl right here, nigga. Shut up.
I don't give a fuck if she wasn't there. Hey, ladies, you know that's the when a nigga like,
My girl right here.
hey, yo, bro, I love you, dog.
All right,
We
enjoy.
lit.
Turn up. I'm living through you.
Hey, yo, this light on me, yo, I can't lie. I see why I'm a good looking nigga, man. I look good, broski. Yeah, all that. Pure skin, clean, no cuts, no nothing. I'm really
Hey,
one of
what
them.
up, Black? With my nigga Black.
I'm really one of them. Feel me?
Hey, all right, turn up. I'm going to bed.
All right. No, you ain't going to bed, nigga. Shut up. You about to watch my live and talk shit in the group chat. All right. All right. Oh, Soldier, where's Soldier at?
Soldier Boy.
Somebody tell Soldier come here. Where's Soldier at? I don't know where's Soldier at. I ain't mean to pin that. Nah, I don't want to pin it. I'm pinned.
Are you done?
What? No, I ain't done. Keep the light on me. I'm about to get off here, though. Hey, man, listen. From the bottom of my heart, on some real shit, I know we had a lot of fun tonight. I'm an entertainer. I entertain. Don't take me serious, but I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all so much. A nigga came in the game at 13. I started this journey at the age of 5. Y'all don't take nothing else from my lives today or my posts. Take this. I started at 5 years old, and I got to this point to where I don't need nobody for nothing. I do my own thing. I got 2 beautiful kids. I can do whatever I want, when I want. I make my own schedule. I call my own shots. I'm really a boss, and I can stand on that, and I believe that because it's true. And I want to say everybody who grew up with me and believed in me, bought a record, saw my movies, participated in anything that I ever gave y'all, thank y'all, and I love y'all. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. So many birthdays. A nigga 35, I'm 5 off 40. This is a milestone for me. We turning up, we going crazy. That's why I say don't judge me. Because when y'all birthdays be around, don't nobody judge y'all. I'm just famous and shit. And they want to just like post everything that I do. And I'm sure I'm going to be all over the media tomorrow. Oh, that was lit. But there's an excuse. It was my 35th birthday. I love y'all. Thank y'all so fucking much. Like, a nigga could have been fell off, tapped out, got drugged out, cracked out, looked stupid, and I never fell through that pipeline. You know what I'm saying? And I wanna say thanks to Snoop. He hit me today. Thanks to the JD. Shout out to Birdman. Shout out to Diddy. Niggas, Nelly. Niggas that always kept them 100 with me. Niggas who called me, guided me throughout my career. And motherfuckers, when I got out of line, they called me. I don't really pay attention to comments and me. That's why I don't do a lot of interviews. That's why you'll see me talk on my Twitter a lot. These, like, you know, I control my own narrative. And I gotta thank the niggas I named. I gotta thank them because they coached me and got me to this point. And I watched them. Since I was a little boy, I watched all these niggas. And I just want to say I love y'all, man. Thank y'all so much for being there for me and just loving the nigga. Always standing behind me no matter what. Support me. Millennium Tour. I got a chance to tour the country again. 20,000 a night. Seeing all y'all rocking out, and we coming back in October. Know that. And me and that boy Murray got something special planned for y'all too. Shout out to that boy O, because he hit me today. Jason Tatum, Kevin Durant, everybody that hit me today. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all niggas. Y'all my niggas for life. Know that. I'm about to go back and kick it and enjoy myself. I done spent too much money on this shit. I done got 2 yachts. Let me enjoy mine. Alright? I hope I gave y'all some fucking new viral moments that y'all can love, laugh, and cherish. But until then, meet me at the
Mm-hmm. Bow Wow is my boy, yo. Yo. Yo, I remember going to school and this rapper was like, yo, he was the thing, yo. You see it. It was crazy. So I have to be supportive of Bow Wow because he made my child days what it is.